Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to sterilize clipper the best way. You can see clipper oils, clipper sterilizer, kerosene, lighter. So today I'll be telling us the best way to sterilize clipper. Now the best way to sterilize clipper is to use kerosene. Watch what I'm going to do. Pour kerosene on empty plastic. After you pour the kerosene inside, watch what I'm doing or what the way I'm sterilizing the clipper. This is the best way you can sterilize clipper. Once you pour it, you on your clipper. Once you on your clipper, you open the blade. Sorry that this tripod, I don't understand it. The thing is not giving me the angle I want. But from this voiceover, I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So you on the clipper, you open it, put it on low cut blade, on the clipper, put it inside the kerosene. You see what will come outside. You see what will come outside, because some people think that once they finish barbing someone hair and they carry clipper sterilizer and spread on it, carry lighter and burn it, they think that they have sterilized the clipper. This is the best way to sterilize clipper. See what is coming out from that clipper. There are hairs that you have barbed since last week that is inside that clipper, that is inside that blade. But if you use this kerosene like this and you on your clipper and put it inside the kerosene, it will wash all the dirt, all the hairs that is inside the blade, that is inside the clipper. It will wash it thoroughly. Understand? This is the best and perfect way to sterilize clipper. Understand? So after that, now you can put your normal sterilizer, the spray, put your clipper oil. You can still use lighter and burn it. But if you not burn it, if you not put clipper sterilizer, this is the perfect way. See what came outside from that clipper. See dirt, see hairs. Understand? If you There's one customer that I did first day he came, I did something like this, he loved it. So the other day he came, so I just bought it. He said, please, can you help me and do that thing that you did the other time? I brought out my kerosene, I pour it. He felt relaxed. Sure you get. So this is the best way. If you know you are learning something from this channel, if you know you learn something now, I know most of us we have not been doing this, we have not been doing it this way. But if you know that today you learn something, try it in your salon and see what customer will tell you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let other people to learn. We learn every day. Any little idea I have, I will share it, because this channel is for tutorial purpose. I'm not hiding any knowledge from anybody. Anything that I know, that I discover, I'll just share it to everyone here. So don't be stingy. Try to share to others too. Don't forget to subscribe.